Warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. This looks like a bouncy wicket. The white ball will come nicely onto the bat. You might see the odd one fetching some extra bounce. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Good shot for a single. Directed. Absolutely bang on the stumps. Excellent running between the wickets. Turned away for a single. It's a full house here and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. But that looks handsome. It certainly is a huge six. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. And the batting power play comes to an end. Good shot for a single. That's an excellent throw. He decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Turned away for a single. Bullseye! What a throw! Flat and fast! Very well played. Just working on the field where the gaps are. Very good running between the wickets. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Squeeze a single there. Good running. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Last ball coming up. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. End of the first inning. Won't be long before we resume this. Thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Oh, beats the edge, and the batsman has played all around that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw, straight into his hands. I tell you what, the slower ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Squeeze a single there, good running. Nailed it! Absolutely perfect throw. But that's going to be for all right. Sweet timing. It's in the gap. They will look for some extra runs here. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Fantastic batting, that great execution.
Asim, this is your last chance, my friend.
Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Superb delivery, can't do much with that. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Glorious, absolutely glorious. He's not going to miss out on those. Good shot for a single. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well placed into the gap, possible too. That's an excellent throw. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.